Hey, I'm back with Cooking Chronicles. So today is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to all our servicemen and women who fought for our country and rights. So I'm fixing today some ribs and sweet Italian sausage. I'm just kind of keeping it light. My daughter didn't want to peel the potatoes for potato salad, so they're having loaded baked potatoes. So we kind of cheat on our ribs a little bit. So what I do is I make my rub. This is my own rub for my ribs that I put together, or for any of my meats that we barbecue. You need to come up with your own rub. um, and so what I do is I put all of my spices and rub them down and put them in aluminum foil and put them in the oven on like 250 for a couple of hours to let it cook. And then after that, I throw it on the grill and let it brown. And I put my homemade barbecue sauce on, which you need to figure out yourself too. That's a my husband's family side secret that my mother-in-law figured out, and then she told me. So, and then what I'm going to use as well is Worcester sauce and garlic that I'm gonna spread all over. So I come back once I do everything. So as you can see, my hands is dirty. So here's one rack of ribs that's ready to go with all of my rub and all of my seasonings that I'm gonna put on it. And basically I'm gonna fold it up, put it in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours and let it cook. And then I'm gonna put it on the grill. So I'll be back with the finished product. That's it. I got to do this 2 more times. I have 3 racks of ribs.